Getting your voice heard in a large organization is a hard job. News about system outages, changing terms of use, or important corporate news tend to get drowned in email storm, or simply ignored by users, overwhelmed by email communication. Sounds familiar? If the answer is yes, we've got a solution. Announcement Feeds allows you to present customized messages, cold announcements, to your users and precisely target them to any group. In Jira Core, Software and Jira Service Desk, with no need to send separate messages in each application to cut your overhead. Creating new announcements is quick and easy, no matter if it's a one-time message sent to all users or a weekly newsletter precisely targeted to your support team. With announcement feeds, you can easily set up desired response options. Some messages should be accepted or rejected, while others can be simply dismissed. You can also easily customize your feed and choose where it will be displayed. Dialogue for corporate or project announcements. Banner for important outages and service updates. Full page for changing terms of use or privacy policy that has to be approved. Request type for ongoing problems that need to be communicated to service desk users. Group your announcement into feeds to precisely deliver them to different groups like individual teams, service desk users, or the whole organization. To cut even more overhead from your admins, you can delegate announcement creation to project admins or any other user. Last but not least, you gain full control over your communication. Browse the recorded responses to check how many users accepted or rejected the announcement. See precisely when each action was taken, and export the data to CSV if you need it outside Jira. Choose announcement feeds and make your voice heard. We guarantee support within 24 hours from the request and access to rich and easy-to-understand documentation. Want to know more? Contact us.